Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up your microphone in MuMu Player. So first, open MuMu Player and open the device settings on your Android device. Then go to sounds and make sure your current microphone is selected. After that, close the settings and open your Android device. Now minimize MuMu Player. Then right click on the sounds icon on your PC and open sound settings. After that, speak into your microphone to test it. If the input level is moving, your microphone is selected and working properly. Then close the settings. Next, open Windows settings, then go to privacy and open microphone. After that, make sure both microphone access and let desktop apps access your microphone are turned on. Then close the settings and open MuMu Player again. So I have already installed the voice recorder app. So I will open it now. After that, you can see the microphone is detecting my voice, which means it's working correctly. So now you can use your microphone in MuMu Player without any issues. I hope this video helped you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.